with a brave belief in the heart that dares to dream and achieve. Three fires rising, feel the flow. Heart on fire, letting purpose grow. We rise above what we used to know, built on passion, steady and slow. Three fires burning, clear and true. Reset the path, refocus the view. Quality first in all that we do. This is how we break through. Second fire lives in the way we think. Mindset sharp on the edge of the brink. Old distractions finally let go. Clear direction tells us where to go. Reset the noise, align the plan. Focus thoughts, turn dreams to a stand. What we believe shapes what we see. A trained mind builds destiny. Three fires rising, feel the flow. Heart on fire, letting purpose grow. We rise above what we used to know, built on passion, steady and slow. Three fires burning, clear and true. Reset the path, refocus the view. Quality first in all that we do. This is how we break through. Third fire lives in the moves we make. Action decides what dreams we take. No shortcuts, no empty show. Work in rhythm,